The way that she talk, the way that she move, the way that she dance. Hit a nigga with no hands. Me and my niggas, we got a plan. Shoot a nigga with no hands.
No hands, Lil Shorty, I'm killing shit. Pull up, nigga, I'm blowing your mans. Lil Shorty up, throwing the bands. Pull again, yeah, we doing the dance. Your girl with me, so I give her a chance.
What's up, YouTube? It's Lil Shorty. We just got the last package. I think it's raining outside, but we're gonna try to steal. Now we good. So yeah, I'm gonna get to y'all when I get set up outside. We finna wash it down real quick before I put everything on there. This is the bike right now. We're finna get a transformation right here. First thing I like to do is squirt it off with some water. So I'm gonna go get the whole
gang. It's Lil Shorty, never stopping. Yeah, I'm stepping in designer. Got a Glock for a op, nigga catching lucky on a free little thing. Yeah, we keep it money. Yeah, we shoot your things, but we get it poppin'. When the ops arrive, yeah, put them to a stopper, never lacking. Yeah, we catch them lacking. Yeah, we stay on point. Niggas talking crazy, then we treat them like a.
I got just a rag for now, and then got some soap, and I got my little brush thing. So yeah, we're gonna start going with the rag.
Them lazy, yeah, we get real crazy. In the lag, cooking up. Off the dome, you know what's up. Take his hoe, she acting up. On the lot, post it up. With the gang, double cut. Me and Ma, we blowing up. Look out, real, turn it up. Switch the flow, y'all biting up. Yeah, I say all the smoke, never fold. Got these diamonds on my body, shining cold. Run up on me, I'ma set the tone. Hitting lifts just.
Right now, just going in with the brush. I already did the back tire. So I'm just scrubbing it with the brush.
Get in my city, bars cold, shit froze. Better ask about me if you didn't know. Smoking ops, F the cops. Y'all niggas know how it go. Bow, bow. This Lil Shorty never stopping. Yeah, I'm stepping in designer. Got a Glock for a op, nigga catching lackey on a free little dink. Yeah, we keep it blink. Yeah, we shoot your things, but we get it poppin'. When the ops arrive, I'm put them to a stopper. I just milked this joint, bro. Fuck with that joint, you heard? You know the vibes, nigga. This Lil Shorty, nigga. Never fold, nigga. Stay ready.
So we just got this package from Ride Out Supply, so we're about to unbox it. I opened it a little bit just to make sure it was everything in here. This is the best thing. We're gonna do this for last though. So we got the reflective spoke skins. We got a blue and white one. So yeah, that's gonna look good right there. Blue and white spoke skins. Those are stickers. Ride Out Supply gives you these free stickers. Yeah, they give you these free stickers. They say Ride Out Supply. Just to put right on here. Just put right on here. And I got some custom stickers. This one says R.I.P. Mom and Ray. And this one is my Instagram tag. So we're gonna get these on the bike. Way more lighter. We got these stickers. So let's go ahead and put these on. Gotta peel it off. Now, that's what we're looking like. Got that on there, so yeah. Get it, got it on there. Okay, so we got the sticker on there. Just got them on there. So now we're going to put these on here. So we want to put the clouds on the rims. And we'll get back to y'all when I put the spoke skins on. I just want to let y'all know. Ride Out Supply gives you guys these notes. Sometimes they text you on Instagram, but yeah. See the note showing thanks for your support. Got this, it's stickers. So yeah, this is So we got the clouds on there. You know what I'm saying? That's what they look like. About to get these spoke skins on here. And I had leftover clouds, so I just put them on dirt bikes. I'm probably gonna order some spoke skins, put them on dirt bikes. I'll show you guys that too. Yeah. And put these on the bike right there. And I'm gonna catch y'all when I'm done putting these on. Guys, it's not nighttime yet, but just look at the reflective stickers you see. And we have reflective spokes. So what's up, YouTube? This is the bike. We just finished this tire. Once you get the groove of it, it's not hard. But my finger is cold, so don't do it later. I'm gonna catch you.
Hey, say Carl, I ain't even know what I was saying right here. Wasn't even speaking English, you feel me? Sound like a mumble rapper, but like, you know what I'm saying? About to get back into this video. It was cold outside, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. My hands were throbbing like skirt, let's get back into the video on game.
Bam. This is the final product of the bike right now. You got the spoke skins. Let me turn the light on real quick. You got the spoke skins. I'm gonna pull it outside, show you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna actually throw this on there. I don't have the zip ties, but I have the rubber bands. Hopefully that works. And I'll get you guys when I'm outside. Alright, you guys, this is the final product of the bike. Right here, I'm gonna show you what the bike looks like when I first got it to now, which is the final product. 3, 2, 1. Yes, sir. You know, got that on there. We got to get the zip ties though. That's just there for now. So yeah, we got the reflective spoke skins, the reflective clouds, the reflective Ride Out Supply sticker, the reflective big flyer sticker. So yeah. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you can be notified for the next video. If you ain't